We are getting calls from a lot of people who say their homeowners insurance will not cover damage caused by the record rainstorms we've had.
As a matter of fact, some estimate that repairing damage to their homes is going to cost $10,000 to $20,000. WATE 6 on your side. Reporter Don Dare has now been looking into this issue, trying to help a lot of people here.
Yeah, you know, we found people who asked, why isn't their insurance going to help them?
Right.
Good question. We met with 3 people. They all had the same story. That is, since they didn't have flood insurance, damage to their property caused by rising water from last month's rainfall, it's not covered. And we wanted to know why. In North Knox County, Chris Davis and his good friend moved sandbags to the front of Chris's garage out in abundance of caution as it started raining again the other day. Behind Chris's house, a lake was created by record rainfall last month. On February 23rd and 24th, water filled his front yard and the street in front of his home.
The water kept rising around the house on Sunday, and by Sunday around noon, the water had reached our porches. We never thought the water would ever come beyond the air conditioning systems.
Chris Davis's neighbor is Terry May.
There's a hill here. It's probably at least 30 foot back there from that tree right there. Ooh. It's just a mess. Our heat and air unit on the other side has been underwater. This is our neighbor's heat and air unit. It's been underwater.
His garage is dried out, but Terry said there was nearly a foot of water in it at one time. Chris Davis and Terry May have full homeowners insurance. However, they both received the same answer shortly after calling their insurance companies and filing a damage claim.
That initial phone call was only 5 minutes long. They essentially said, you don't have flood insurance, you don't live in a floodplain. Sorry.
Because it's a flood, and we don't have flood insurance. Well, we tried to buy flood insurance. Well, they didn't sell us flood insurance.
For 30 years, Ben Johnson has been an independent property and casualty insurance agent. He is not Chris or Terry's insurance representative. He showed us a typical homeowner's insurance policy and the exclusions listed on that policy. At the top of the list is the word flood. Listen to what it means.
It's actually when there's a literal flood outside your home. For example, you open your front door and it looks like there's a lake in your front yard. Basically, that lake coming into your home would be deemed as a flood, and that's when flood insurance could and would more than likely take care of that issue for the customer.
This is video shot inside Ginny Thrasher's home in Powell on Sunday, February 24th. More than an inch of water covered the entire lower level.
It was coming in this side, it was coming in this side, the closet, bedroom, bathroom.
Mrs. Thrasher owns a split-level home, and half of the lower floor is below ground level. Early last week, Mrs. Thrasher filed an insurance claim.
They told me that they went ahead and took the claim off because it would not be covered because it was under a flood policy, and I did not have a flood policy. But I told them it wasn't a flood because it was excessive rainfall.
There was no flooding around Ginny's home, as we saw with Chris and Terry, but there is this water damage exclusion on the typical homeowner's policy. It says, water damage means water below the surface of the ground that seeps or leaks through a wall or foundation.
Water that seeps in through basement walls or seeps through the floor up into your home is not something that is a coverable potential claim for a customer.
For homeowners without flood insurance whose homes were damaged, they'll have to pay for repairs out of their own pockets. So, Bo and Christian, if you live in a high flood zone, typically your lender, your loan company, will require you to have flood insurance. But any homeowner can buy it, and the cost varies depending on your risk. Flood insurance for a typical $100,000 home located in a low-risk flood zone, the cost is about $200 a year. But that same priced home in a high-risk flood zone, the cost can be as high as $2,000 a year. Now, the Federal Emergency Management Agency has a website where you can find a flood map and see for yourself where flood risk zones are located. That website is at FEMA.gov. The map produced by the National Flood Insurance Program lists the insurance rate map and zones showing both high-risk and low-risk areas. And Chris and Bo, the map is a handy tool to have. It's very easy to navigate. You can see exactly where your house fits in, whether it's high or low. But I bet you a lot of people are going to be
I
buying
was going to say, I
flood
bet a lot of
insurance.
people are going to go back and look at what they have and what they don't have
You
right
bet.
now.
You bet they
Oh
will.
my
All right,
goodness.
Don,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you.
All right. If you have a consumer question for Don, send him an email at ddare@wat.com. You can also call his 6 on Your Side hotline number, 865-633-5974.